with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. This is the first time we just did then get post for YouTube. You just come across this our channel. Please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. For this our channel, now Tori, now we dey talk and now Pidgin English we dey talk our Tori. Happy weekend to everyone. I greet you and I welcome you once again. So today's story we want to talk about this man madam wey dey for Libya. They don't baba as I dey talk to now. So before I go allow una listen to her, I just want briefly explain what happened for people when be say they'll just come across this video for the first time. So the story so far be say this man, a Nigerian man, mo just call him like that, mo not talk about the tribe because as they make parable say no which means say they know they see good one for small snake. So as far as say you be Nigeria, your tribe, you don't commit one thing or the other. So this man, a Nigerian man, and he go house, he go they bring girls, they go Libya, they go connection house, they go also. According to the reliable source we for hear this matter, they say he get many girls for inside house, and that's why they use their nyaga. Even get one where be say she newly born. That's why they will tell them one say make they go connection house. Let them come tell them say where you for born that place. He never hear at all. The hand proceed they pay now. Make they let it gather itself. They say la he must go. They say he still get wife too, and the wife they did there when they do all these things. So he can't get one particular day, one of the girls them. That one come waka one day say he want go see his boyfriend too. As he go now, he come back. Then the man come tell him say, who give you the leg when you take waka go your boyfriend place? When you be say you supposed to go connection house, go also bring money come. You don't go, so you can't go your boyfriend place. How much you carry come? That the girl open hand for ground. As the lady just enter, I don't arrange some guys. Now so they wire this lady. They do this lady. What they do this lady not be small. They use koboko. They use pipe. Now so they nyaga man. This lady called they shout, brother Biko, brother Abeg. As me they look the video, now so my leg they shake, my hand they shake. They go soon stop, for where? They not stop until the video even come off. I can't even they pray, I say, God, this lady go still do okay so. But from the person when be say they pass information to me, he tell me say the lady's day hospital that she not really they fine like that. I just pray may anything bad not happen to this particular lady. So since then the video can't go viral. Many people can't watch her, many people can't vex.
Anybody may just keep you. I don't want to know where you go. May they hear me. Anywhere they just keep you for house. They keep you. You this evil man. They keep you for house. The person not go see good thing for your life.
In Nigeria, go reach native doctor.
Waiting man from internet if you buy your top here, that's not in Libya. Take a neck when we can't jebe. If any number if I just see a hand channel to buy him, hire mukem my family. How about when I got one from internet? Has not Libya copy about my boy, if you buy your top boy and me. I want no jog.
Everybody come and say, why this man go do this girl like this? Because of say go see your boyfriend, then go young man treat her like this. So because of that one, many people vex where they can say that they look for this man. This man, since say people they look for her, so he take cover. He run come up for house. They come they find out they not see him. Now some people come they talk, anybody will put on for her, so anybody will put on for her, so people begin they swear for anybody will even put this man for house. The next thing they say they don't bab his wife. They can't hold her, say no her, through his wife. They go feel nowhere he did. Because as Peter hear the information, say the wife even did their back. When they say that they do this lady like that, the wife don't talk. You can't quiet, can't allow your husband. You did the same house with your husband. Your husband they maltreat your fellow women like this. You can't quiet because of money. Now some people constantly come for the wife. But the wife, they can't keep her secret. They can't say, no, if you pay for a crime. When be say, you don't know. And beside that, maybe don't talk to a husband for a side house. The man a very stubborn man. You know, they hear word. So they can't just put the woman for one corner. They not show her face. So not do they can't find the man, they find out. Before they can finally grab this man. When they begin, they wire this man the way the man say wire this lady. Me I surprised say the man even dey shout. I come say not be man you be. You want say me your fellow men whole woman make dem dey wire am like this. They don dey wire you now, you dey open mouth. They say man no dey cry o. So you sabi cry like this. Na so the man dey shout o. Make una lis ten o.
So now you, God, you define things. Tell your people. Make them take everything where they need. Unless they finish you. You tell your people. Everything. Higher. Call your people. Pay the ransom. Move
My people, una lis ten to his voice. YouTube no go allow the video. That's why I no put am. So they don cash am now, and the people wey cash am so, me I dey think say no be Nigeria people catch this man, because the way they take dey talk their English, e no be like our English. So e be like say na either Sudan people or Niger people wey dey for Libya na e cash am, or Nigeria people let all these Sudan people know say this man see wetin he do, say that they find am, because the voice not be like our Nigeria people. But I'm not too sure whether na Nigeria people na gbab this man, because the way it be, it dey different, you understand. But they don't cash am now, they really they deal with am. So I dey make this video because of history, because of tomorrow. For people wey be say that they do all this kind of thing, for people wey be say that they carry girls, they go connection house for Libya, make them learn from this man's story. That's why they make this video for history purpose, so that it go remain there. They go remember say 2021 wetin happen for Libya that year. Now it make me they make this video so according to the video of the man, now only God can know how they can do this man. But I know say wetin this man do, e no good o. But I no still want maybe say this man peme o, because wetin they do when me see for the video, at least e go don't feel the pains of that lady. But I beg, make dem not peme this man. I beg, make dem not peme am, because I can't fear because of our people. You know say there's a bit do jungle justice well, and I believe say e don learn from wetin he do this lady. And many of our ladies, they don't suffer this suffer. When we say they no even video them. I even surprised when one lady they call me, so I even leave for comment section say the way they do them, it pass this lady but only say they no video run. Now come be the thing, this lady get luck say they video run. I think they have to stop this kind of thing when we say that they do to ladies, so they bring people go connection house, so they use injury till they go connection house, they go hustle. That kind of thing not good now. Wanna try, wanna stop this thing. Many people don't shook my for this thing, or people don't shook my for this thing. Say make they stop all this thing when we say now they carry people come from Africa, now they carry them go somewhere, say they go the hustle for connection house. Wanna try, wanna stop them, wanna look for work. If not something wanna they say, I think say this one will be lesson to so many people, because they send me many people pictures. So they say these people they still get their own girls when they carry go connection house, say their own they're wicked well, and they use this opportunity. They tell people when we say una dey Libya, una they watch this video, say una see they do the same thing, una carry girls go connection house, make they go the hustle. I use God take beg una, mona use this opportunity, mona use through this girl home, mona take free them, make they go. Because if this kind of thing happen again, if you don't get the luck when this man gets, so mona use this opportunity take free all those girls when they carry go connection house. I use God beg una, mona free them, mona use this lady home take learn, or mona use this man home take learn. I see they surprise say all this kind of thing, it cause they continue to they happen again. Now wetin come dey cause all this one? Now laziness have been waiting. The time when people take do, and many people feel say na ignorant. Fine, na ignorant, but right now not be ignorant again, because you know what you they do, which kind of money you they find when you say you they maltreat your fellow human being because of money. So my people, I just want to inform una say they don't gbab this man, and they don't give her the taste of wetin he do that lady. And wetin I carry come tell una, my lovely people. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, use this opportunity to hit the red button, click on the notification bell, so you will know anytime we put video here. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you share this video now, you are going to save a lot of people. You are going to save all those our beautiful ladies where they carry go connection house. Make them free them. So thank you so much. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.